Since we have YouTube for finding tons of videos, social media applications for chatting and engaging with friends and family, how about a social files application for finding tons of files? This application is called Fiscean, and it is a social files application from which you can find thousands of categories of files from people all over the world. When it comes to our academic or work life, we create several documents like PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, and more, which after using them, we just delete them since they can't be stored in our devices. So this application allows you to create what they call pools, where you can upload all the important and useful files on there, which can be accessed by tons of people who follow your pool. This application is basically a dedicated application for files, including files for science, arts, computer science, which you can search and download. To be able to create your pool of files, you will have to create an account with your phone number. This will also allow you to follow other pools and save files. Second on the list today is an application called When Available, and this application simply lets you create a poll which you can send to your group to know when everyone will be available for a particular event or occasion. And unlike the normal poll you can create on social media applications, with this, your group members do not need to install this application to be able to choose or participate in the poll. You can send them a link to access the poll on the web or send invitation through emails. You can create unlimited number of polls and see real-time those who have voted. You can leave a message regarding the event, so when it comes to creating events with polls in a very organized and detailed format, try out this application. Palette is an awesome customization application, and if you're a fan of Android customization, you are definitely going to love. This application has created several Android home screen setups in various categories, which to every setup, you'll find all the necessary applications or tools used to create it. And not only that, tapping on the apps provided will take you to wherever the application can be downloaded from. This makes it very easy to recreate this on your Android device. One thing I love about this application is this incredible UI design. I mean, you can't curate amazing setups in an averagely designed app interface. Created by our very own Sam Beckman, it's safe to say it's not a surprise how amazing this application is. So if you want inspiration for Android home screen customization, then this application is definitely for you. Closer Music offers a wide variety of copyright-free music to content creators who need to soundtrack their content. Whether you are a storyteller or even a company, this application offers direct music license which you can use for all your content, provided you have a precise plan. You can download unlimited tracks from artists worldwide. I personally installed this application just to listen to cool music and also moody lo-fi music while I'm on my desk trying to be productive, and the tracks are very nice. You can get for any kind of setting you are in. So that is another use of this application aside offering dope soundtracks to content creators. Even though we hardly forget some special events, occasions, or dates in our lives, tracking them daily and seeing the progress till then can be an amazing experience. And with this application called Moments, you can create countdowns to special events or occasions and remind you moment by moment, which will make you prepare. The most amazing feature of this application is the widgets that comes with it. Since you add background images to the events you create, it makes the home screen beautiful with the widgets. In the settings, you can choose the countdown in hours, days, years. You can also share the moment with your friends through email or any social media application. Still on Android customization, I've come to love this amazing Android 12 widget pack called Usury KWGT. I love how adaptive it is to any wallpaper and how responsive the widgets are, especially how the colors match my current home screen wallpaper, which I've linked below in the video description. Make sure you have the Pro version of KWGT to be able to load these incredible widgets onto your home screen. Zero Task is a very nice to-do list application, and one thing I like about it is adding icons automatically to your to-do list to make it more catchy. It basically lets you schedule tasks and reminds you whether on time or before, depending on what you choose. You can add up to 4 tasks per day if you're on the free version of this application. There is also focus mode where you can select a task to be done, and then there will be a progress bar counting down, also depending on the duration you give to that particular task. All in all, it's a simple to-do list application, so if you're looking to switch to a different to-do list application, then give this one a try. Whenever you find yourself in a meeting or a quiet place where you have no headphones, but you have to know the contents of a voice note you've received, Transcriber for WhatsApp is an application that can help you. And there are tons of reasons one will have to transcribe voice note to text, you being at a place where you can't actually pop out your headphones, or you just like to read instead of listen. With the simple action of sharing the voice note to the Transcriber application, you can see the text form and read, so why not give this application a try? I believe there will definitely come a time you will have to use it. Next, we have Buckist, and this application simply lets you create and manage a list of things you love to do before any drastic thing happens to you. You can create custom lists by adding and entering the details like location, the target date, and more. You can also find inspiration from other users and even add others' lists to yours. I think it's a very fun application to use and fantasize about some imaginary things. And also, keeping this kind of list will motivate you to keep working towards them and eventually be able to achieve them. So if you are into stuff like this, then this application is the best for you to go with. Down to the last application, we have Hide Chat Name, and this application allows you to create a fake chat name to cover the actual person you are chatting with on WhatsApp. Once you install the application and allow the necessary permissions, go ahead and give a random name, or you can even leave it blank. Change the size of the fake chat name status bar, select the status, whether online, typing or whatever, save it, and that's it. You get a floating button, so whenever you are among friends or just want to hide a particular person you are chatting with, just tap on the floating icon and the fake chat name will overlay the actual name. This is an amazing privacy option when using WhatsApp. Up to this point, let me know down in the comment section your favorite application so far. I think most of them are not popular but are very useful, so be sure to leave a like, and also if you enjoyed the video, then consider subscribing to the channel for more best Android apps videos. I appreciate your support, and as always, thank you for watching.